everyone, welcome back to my first YouTube video on Roblox. Today we are going to be playing Boat Ride. Let's get straight into it. Let's go. Okay, I've never played this game before, so I don't know what to do. Welcome to Boat Ride. Get in a boat now. Okay. Let's swim around. Swimmy, 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 swimmy. What the hell? Oh my god, look at this little pigeon. Ah, what the hell is happening? What the hell? Oh, I should get under these people. Come on, pigeon, sit beside me. Come on, pigeon. Oh my god, hands up, guys. Hands up, everyone. Ooh. Come on. Hands up, guys. Crusher 2, you're gonna get cooked. Have fun. Have fun, don't die. You're probably going to die. Oh, hands up, hands up. Ooh. Bro, what is happening? I'm not putting my hands up for this. This is so slow. Oh my god. Pigeon's literally tweaking. Oh my god, pigeon's gone. What the hell? Why is there flipping rocket launchers? No, those are pirate thingies. Let's just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Come on, let's go straight. No! Do not enter danger. A bear? From Masha and the bear? We should have went that way. Oh, did we? Oh. What the hell? Oh my god. Something got that boat. That is so sad. Look everywhere. Oh my god. How are we going to get up there? We have no speed. Oh, hell no. We're going up so slow. Oh, go fast, go fast. Oh my god. Now we're going to go down really slow. Oh my god. Please don't upturn. Yes. Jesus, that was so steep. That was so steep. Look at all the lights with the fire thingies. No, it's gonna happen again. Even longer though. We're cooked. Look at all my friends on the boat. I don't even know them. I love Leonard Lag and 1XXXXXXXX, bro. What the hell was that? Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god. I would love to go down this in real life. Oh my god. What the? Oh my god. We're going backwards. Oh yes. Finally. Okay, come on, go waves. Imagine going on this in real life. Oh, we're in the deserts. My god, imagine we see the pharaohs. Or ancient Egypt, from ancient Egypt. What is that? Is that the big temple that they're meant to be in? Here, I'll just let you guys see. Bro, what is that little temple thingy? See, what the? I just seen a rainbow thing. Do you see that in your eye? What the hell? Let's just zoom back in. There's some pyramids. I love my avatar, guys. It's Sigma. So good. I heard someone laugh. We're cooked. La dee 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 dee. What the? What the hell is that? Kumanana Savesta. What the hell? This is no temple that I've ever been in. Weird. Woo! Are we going down that slide? my god. What the hell? Akumanana, kumanana, kumana, savesta. Kumanana, kumana. Oh my god, my eyes are twitching. What is that sound coming from? Yeah. Is it singing happy birthday? You. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Never heard this version of Happy Birthday, but anyways. Birthday, yeah. What the? I hope none of my friends fall off. You, even though I don't even know them. I think everyone's still on. Oh my god, what the? Gameplay paused. Where are we going, guys? What the Sigma? What the hell? That was weird. But that's all for today, folks. Bye.